Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the notification released by Government of Telangana High Court. This notification is inviting applications for district judge entry level, which contains 9 posts. Telangana High Court is most popular courts in India. So it is inviting the applications and it is a direct recruitment process. The eligibility for this application is practicing the advocate, which is not less than 7 years. Now, let us see the notification in detail. This is the application form. Before going to see the application form, let us see the notification in detail. Now, this is the notification which was released by Telangana government for the post of district judge entry level. Now, here is the list of abstract vacancies. Open competition is for 5, among 5 to women, and socially and educationally backward class group A category 1 under reservation women, scheduled caste 2, 1 reservation woman, and scheduled tribe 1 woman. So total 9 posts were there. Among 9, 5 were reserved for women. As I told you before, the eligibility is minimum 7 years of experience is required as an advocate, practicing advocate. Now, let us see the scheme of examination. This scheme of examination and minimum marks are specified here. Now, in the scheme of examination, first a written test will be there, which contains 3 papers. One is civil law, and the other one is criminal law and English. English contains all different basic concepts like translation, essay writing, and grammar vocabulary. Now again, the translation test will be for 30 marks and essay writing is for 70 marks, and essay writing test will be on legal subjects only. Translation has to be made from English language to either Hindi or Telugu language only. Every candidate must qualify in paper 3, that is English, by securing 40% of qualifying marks. The marks which are secured in paper 3 are not counted for determining merit list. Now each paper carry 100 questions. The duration for each paper is 3 hours. The question paper will be in English language itself. And after following the written test, we will be having viva voice. So the candidate who has been appointed under direct recruitment, who secures which are not less than 60% of marks in both paper 1 and paper 2, are eligible for viva voice carrying 50 marks. The scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidates who secures which are not less than 50% marks in paper 1 and paper 2 in written examination are eligible for viva voice carrying 50 marks. So the proportionate vacancies, the ratio of selecting the students is 1:3. And viva will be carried for 50 marks. Viva will be carried for 50 marks, and these are the different selection procedures. In the selection process, we will going to test the proficiency and knowledge of applicants will be tested in the following category: constitution and civil laws, criminal laws. These are the list of topics that you have to learn, the candidate has to learn. And you can download the proforma of application from this website. The website is tshc.gov.in, which is an official website for High Court of State of Telangana. So you can download the application form. In this video, we have even specified the application proforma here. This is application proforma. You have to fill all these application details and post it to the specified address. Thank you for watching this video, and I specify all the best for the candidates who are applying for this post. Please subscribe to this channel. Unique Learning, it's a track of success. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Share this video to all the job seekers. Thank you.